We are back on our site, so you can be able to see some of the things that I mentioned, the features of the application, and also like a small pricing model. I'll talk about this later. But the thing that we are doing with Alicia is that we are enabling the kids to use the current technology to not only spark their interest in writing, but also like make it easier for them to tell stories that they can be able to share with their parents or with other kids. So authentication is really easy since we're using Firebase for authentication. So I'm just going to say sign in. I had created a number of accounts, but I'm going to create another account so that I can show you the onboarding part. So I'll select this account. I'll say continue. And so one thing I like to point out is that the onboarding feature is a very critical part of Alicia, because it helps us to get to know the child. We know their interest, we know the stories they like, the name that they have chosen for themselves, and this will be key when we are trying to use AI to try and create the story for the kid, because now the AI already knows what the child likes. So when it's coaching the child about writing and content generation, it's going to use those factors in mind. So I'll do this and then get back to you. Okay, so we managed to onboard successfully, and you can see on the dashboard. One thing you'll notice is that if you inputted the correct coupon code, you won't see a button here telling you to upgrade to a free plan. So, but you can still be able to access the marketplace and the dashboard without any problem. So I'll say create a new story, because each story is contained within a project. So we'll start by creating a project. I'm going to be using this sample story here. I'm not too creative to come up with my own. So I'll do this, then get back to you. Say create story, and once the story is created, the user is taken to this particular page, which I decided to call Creator Studio. So in the Creator Studio, once the child selects the project, they're going then to be taken to like the process of writing. So you can see that we have an AI chat on the far right. On the far left, we have the page navigator, and then at the center, we have some pages to write the story. So again, I'll just take these random pages, every 3 pages. After writing, every 3 pages, the user can then get feedback on that particular, and you can see that the AI gives the child some feedback. So you wrote that Mira found silver dust and fox shape. It says what went great, as you can be able to see, and also it says next time what the child should be able to do. We can also like talk to Alicia. So Alicia is our live AI agent, so that is also deployed on Firebase. So we're using the Firebase Live SDK to interact. And so I'll just do a small demo, and I'll say, hey Alicia, what do you think about my story so far?
Wow, that's a really exciting start. Finding those silver dust and fox prints makes me wonder, what do you think Mira will do next?
I'm not so sure. Can you help guide me through the next pages? What should I do?
Sure, it sounds like Mira has a mystery to solve. Since there are fox prints, could Pip be involved?
Yeah, that was like real actual talking to the AI agent. Also, I'm going to demo this, so I'm going to say, help me generate page number 4. So in case I'm feeling stuck, I can talk to Alicia of hear the chat, and so like it can also give me some content. Wonderful. Now I managed to generate the pages, obviously with AI, to move a little bit faster. But now I'm going to click finish story, and then we're going to head to the illustration bit. Now this page selects the pages that we need illustration for, because we said again we're generating images of the story. So I'm just going to generate a couple, and see that the image was generated successfully. We are using Nano Banana, so we can also generate the other image. Let me see if I can do that. These images, we are storing them with Firebase, so Firebase storage. So again, another Google Cloud service we are using. Basically, for the whole backend of this project is reliant on Firebase. So you can be able to see that again, this is the page that has been generated. Again, this is in the context of that particular page, so you're using whatever was happening in that particular page to generate this image. So this is the story that I wrote by my other test account, but this is the story that we want, the Moon Lantern and the Whispering Forest. And you can read the story. You can see that this is the image that we generated for page 1, the image that we generated for page 2, and we did not generate the other images, but this is basically our story, as you can be able to see. So yeah, that is Alicia. I hope you enjoyed the demo, and yeah, looking forward to your response. Thank you. Cheers.